Hi everyone! For today's video, I'll be giving you a desk tour. So let's get started. At the bottom shelf, I have these acrylic drawers. The first layer has my deco stickers. At the bottom, I have my scissors, glue, as well as a stapler. And at the very bottom, I have this case with my meal stickers as well as some hand cream. And right beside it, I have my Daiso marking pens and my fine tip markers. At the second shelf, I have my My Melody drawers. The first layer has my washi tape. Below it are my memo pads, and under those memo pads are my index cards. Right beside it, I have this Ikea Godbless box filled with blue ballpoint pens and the Squishmallow box that I got from McDonald's. Above it, I have my most used brush pens or pens that I use when I am doing calligraphy. Here I have the Ikea cone tip markers, some brush pens, and my smaller brush pens, which has my Pencil Food Touch brush pens, some Tombow Fudenosuke brush pens, and this Daiso brush pen that I obviously got from Daiso. Beside it, I have this box which holds all my Polkos as well as my photo cards, and behind it I have more stickers and office supplies. At the top, I have my journaling Bible, my Instax mini camera, this case which holds my Stabilo Boss highlighters, as well as some neon highlighters behind it, and some correction ink. Beside it, I also have my flowers that my friend gave me. I also have this Hello Kitty. Here I have my two Ikea Godbless boxes filled with sticky notes, some paper tape, memo pads, my junk journal, and some plushies. Underneath, I have this whiteboard. The paper beside it just has my coloring. This clip is from Daiso. Underneath, I have my most used pens such as the Zig Scroll and Brush, my gel pens. So I have Muji, Kako, some more Muji, and a random ballpoint pen. Below it I have scissors, Uniclifter, this Miniso pen body with a pink needle tip, mechanical pencil, my stylus, and under it I have the Tombow Mono correction tape with some sticky notes. Beside it, I have these alcohol-based markers, my guitar pick, as well as some tape. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Bye!